The ultrasonic scan shows no internal defects.
Confirmed. This one meets the strength requirements.
All right, bring it down ease. Looks good. Get the rivets ready.
The alignment on section 4 looks precise. Check the heat map on the Zeta welds.
Reading confirmed, all within tolerance. All right, let's move to the next stage.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the left. Okay, easy now. Looks good, just a little more.
Okay, bring it down slowly.
Alignment looks good on this side.
Secure the main bolts.
All right, easy now, bring the tank down. Clear on the port side, keep it steady.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment on the starboard side.
Got it, looks good from here. Bring it down slowly, watch the alignment on the far side. Clear on the east side.
Bring it down 20 millimeters. Steady now. All right, engage the lock. This harness connects to auxiliary power right here. Confirm. Lock it down.
Torque on seat harness is complete.
Run the diagnostic on the steering input.
Power cycling the main display now.
Ranjita, confirm the hatch is sealed.
Sealed and locked. System check is green.
Bring it down slowly, watch the clearance on the left. Okay, hold it there. We need the impact wrench over here now.
How are those connections looking?
Fully seated and sealed. We are good to go.
The alignment is holding steady through the turn.
Braking response time is slightly delayed on the port side.
Suspension handled the stress test perfectly.
All systems check out green.
Telemetry nominal.
Confirmed. We are fully operational.
I'm seeing some wear on this access panel here.
Okay, let me log that. Reference 3B.
The connection is secure. Starting the sequence.
Reviewing the checklist now. Data flow looks good.
Finalizing the report.
The schematics here show consistent power flow to the turret systems, well within tolerance levels. Engine temps are holding steady. We have a minor fluctuation on the engine telemetry here.
Confirmed. It's within the acceptable range.
All parameters are within tolerance. We're clear for sign-off.
Confirmed. CO applied.
And the documentation is complete.
All cables secured on this side. How are the hatches looking? Just finished the main access. We're good to go.
Keep coming forward, angle slightly left. Hold it right there, easy stop. Markings confirmed, tow cable secure, wheels and locks are good to go. External systems green, straps tight, ready for transport. See you tomorrow. Yeah, have a good night.